The fall of Roe v. Wade is shifting the abortion battle to courthouses around the country today. In Louisiana, a judge temporarily blocked the state's trigger law banning abortion. Abortion rights advocates also asking a Florida judge today to block a new law restricting abortions after 15 weeks. And then, of course, we told you earlier tonight in South Carolina, a federal judge removing her block on the state's fetal heartbeat law. In Missouri, abortion is now illegal except for medical emergencies. And, some believe that these new state restrictions we're seeing around the country will push women to travel to get an abortion where it is legal. And that's set up a lot of questions about how that might work. We verify tonight.
So the question many are asking right now is, do any states ban travel out of state for abortions? Let's verify. Our sources, Rebouche at the Temple University School of Law and the U.S. Constitution. The freedom of movement is guaranteed to every U.S. citizen under the Privileges and Immunities Clause of the Constitution. It reads, quote, "The citizens of each state shall be entitled to all privileges and immunities of citizens in the several states." Essentially,
if gambling's illegal in my state, if I go to Las Vegas for the weekend, I'm not going to be punished when I come back to my state where it's not legal.
Right now, some top Missouri officials are debating legislation that would penalize providers in other states for performing abortions on Missouri residents. But nothing official is in place. However, Rebouche says this part of abortion law hasn't played out yet in the courts.
There are real questions about whether or not providers who are out of state can even be pulled back into another state. There are questions of jurisdiction in that regard. But this is a novel set of questions, and I think it's animated by what are the competing priorities of some states.
So for now, we can verify, no state has banned travel out of state for an abortion.
Republican congressional members from North Carolina want the U.S. Attorney General to condemn and prosecute those who violently target anti-abortion and religious groups. Senator Thom Tillis spearheaded a letter citing alleged activists targeting an Asheville pregnancy services center this month, shattering windows and spray painting threatening messages.